I wanted to show you guys what the actual view looks like with the 360 degree camera system that I installed in this LX570 along with this Phoenix Automotive Android head unit, the touchscreen Tesla style unit that some people call it. So I'm going to put it in reverse here, and I'm in one parking spot. I'm going to make my way to the one behind me. If you can tell, that's the 360 view, and that one there is the backup camera. The lines turn with the steering wheel. You can turn those off. They're built into the Android head unit, generally meant for your display to pop up with the rear view camera. And I can turn those off to make this a little bit easier to look at, but I do like having it on so I know where my steering wheel is pointed, especially when I'm backing up to grab the boat trailer. So let's see what this looks like. On this side, that's a little median with a curb next to me. There's an empty parking spot. That's a median with some plants in it. And behind me, oh, there you go. You just saw that car behind me. I'm going to back up into another spot so you can tell how good it shows and make a judgment for yourself whether you think it's for you or not. Oh, I hugged the curb a little too tight there. You can see I'm right over it. I was looking at the camera in my hand. Let's try that again. All right, you can tell there, we're past the curb and right into our spot. We've got the rear view camera on the right, 360 on the left. You can tell exactly how far back you're going. And there's my backup sensors right there. Worked out pretty well. Just so you can see the view here. There's the curb, the street, the parking lot I should say, behind me, and the backup camera there. You've got real good resolution on everything. I don't know how well you can tell on the video or not, but if you have any questions, leave them down below. I hope this was helpful for you if you're thinking about installing one of the 360 degree camera kits on your vehicle that wasn't equipped with one. And this is how it looks on one of these Phoenix Automotive Tesla style navigation systems. Good luck on yours, and see you next time.